Right, then we're back, and this week we've just been carrying on with the limestone slabs. Finished off this stage of this project, finishing off just rolling out the artificial grass, because the customer is a floor layer carpet fitter, so he wanted to fit this himself. But obviously we prepared all the base, did all the slab work for him. We grouted it in, or pointed it in with a sort of easy joint. It was a different brand, but an epoxy resin washing. So we got that in. Obviously finished off all the slab work, finished off all the slab area, finished the artificial grass area. Obviously all the slabs were laid on a 5:1 bed of sand and cement. All the slabs slurry primed. Video up here if you want to check out how to make that slurry primer. The artificial grass base was already prepped obviously with a type 1, but we finished off with the 6mm to dust, and obviously the concrete haulching around the edging for the artificial grass to be stuck to. So that's this stage finished in this project. We've got to come back and obviously do the concrete base for the summer house on the left. We've got the lower area, which will be concrete brick wall around the perimeter, and then slab work, the same limestone in the centre. We've also got the front driveway to do, and obviously some drainage work to do there as well. So ongoing project. Also the horizontal screening will be going up. Again, the customer's doing that, but if you want to check out a video on how to do that, his one we did earlier, check out that video up there. But yeah, obviously finished this stage, so back on with some construction next week. How's your week been? Feels like a long project this, but we had a long drive to get to this one, so yeah, but customers are happy, so yeah, so are we. How's your week been? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Finally hit 1,000 subscribers, so I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone out there who's supported us along the way. It's much appreciated. Yeah, really appreciate the support. Always open to constructive criticism, and yeah, and if you have any questions, just fire them out. Check out our other social medias in the description below. How's your week been? Let us know in the comment section below. Peace.